Taskade is designed for individuals and teams, solopreneurs, and organizations with simplicity in mind. You can manage tasks, write documents and specifications, and even chat with your team all on the same page. There's no maze of functionality or context switching between multiple tools, so you and your team can focus on getting work done from day one. Taskade's hierarchy and structure is organized into workspaces, folders, projects, tasks, and subtasks. This gives you the power to design your workflow any way you want. For example, you can create a workspace for your company, separate folders for individual teams or departments, and nested projects where the actual work happens. Every project you create can include an infinite number of tasks and subtasks, all nested inside unlimited hierarchy levels. You can fold and unfold like origami. There's no limit on members, workspaces, projects, and tasks, even in the free plan, which makes Taskade one of the most attractive tools on the market. Interface. Now, let's talk a little more about the user interface. The menu on the left includes several important navigation elements. Recent, where you can see the latest updates on all projects. My Tasks, that shows all tasks assigned to you across projects and workspaces. Calendar, that aggregates all tasks and projects with due dates and date ranges. And Shared with Me, with all projects you've been invited to. Below, you'll find a list of your workspaces, a search button, settings, and a dark mode toggle at the bottom. When you open a workspace, you'll see a list of folders inside that workspace. Click on the folder button to open a list of projects nested in the folder. Every folder is divided into 4 tabs: Tasks, Roadmap, Templates, and Completed. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. If you haven't created any folders inside the workspace, all new projects will be added directly to the Home tab of your workspace. Projects and tasks. Think of projects as multi-purpose containers that can hold anything you're working on. You can add tasks, upload files, create outlines, or simply write like you would on a piece of paper. You can also view projects in different ways, but we'll get to that in a minute. When creating a new project, use the sidebar on the left of the screen to browse hundreds of ready-made templates organized into categories. But if you want, you can start from scratch. Just name the project and start writing. Below, you can set a deadline, assign a person responsible for the project, and add color-coded tags. Now, let's talk about creating tasks. Taskade stores tasks inside blocks. You can easily change the block type and choose between headings, bullet points, arrows, and lists. This makes organizing your project much easier. When creating a new task, you can click the plus button to access add-ons. The add-ons menu features additional task tweaks such as due dates, comments, upload file, and even a countdown timer. Finally, click on the 3 dots next to a task to open another drop-down menu with basic formatting options. Taskade is a portmanteau of the words task and cascade. This is one of the pillars of our approach to task management. To create your first subtask, press the Tab key on your keyboard to indent a task and create as many sub-levels of tasks as you want. Use the Shift plus Tab shortcut to quickly outdent a task. Finally, you can fold and unfold task levels and complete projects one task at a time. Oh, and don't forget to keep an eye on the progress bar to see how you're doing. Flexibility of projects is at the core of our origami philosophy. Taskade has 6 different views represented by icons at the top navigation bar. Click on the icons to cycle between views and transform your project into a list, calendar, mind map, org chart, or a table with action items. Switching to a different view is like unfolding an origami piece and folding it in a different way to gain a new perspective. And speaking of perspectives, Taskade lets you customize your projects even further with a set of beautiful project backgrounds. Simply open Project Settings, choose the Appearance tab, and pick one of the wallpapers from the gallery or upload your own. You can view the image as a full-sized background or stick to a minimalist banner. Communication. As a distributed team ourselves, we know that remote teams often need to hack together multiple tools to chat while collaborating on projects. With Taskade, you can send messages, run virtual meetings, upload files, and share your screen in the same window in the same app. Taskade brings communication and collaboration to the same plane by implementing chat and video conferencing directly in the project space. Click on the Start Call button to jump on a video call with your team, or type your message in the chat window to start a discussion in real time. You can also invite people from outside your organization. Just generate a link and send it to clients and stakeholders to bring them on board. Access. Taskade lets you control user roles and permissions on several levels. By inviting users to a workspace, folder, or project, you can set the level of access for each team member. Taskade offers 5 different access levels: Owner, Admin, Editor, Checker, and Viewer. If a user is no longer a member of the team, you can simply revoke their access by removing them from the project, folder, or workspace they are in. We know how repetitive work can be at times. That's why we created hundreds of free templates for every occasion. You can customize them or create your own and reuse as many times as you want. To save a project as a template, simply click on the 3 dots to open the project menu and select Add to Templates. All that's left is to customize the new template and use it in your next project. Availability. Taskade gives you a true real-time cross-platform experience. You can access your projects and collaborate with others on desktop, mobile, and in a web browser. Taskade is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and as a web browser plugin for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You can choose the free forever plan or upgrade to Taskade Unlimited to get even more exciting features and team management tools. Taskade is elegantly designed for high-performance teams with hybrid and remote workspaces in mind. We believe in building beautiful softwares that just works, so dive in. Are you ready to supercharge your productivity? Get started today with Taskade and get work done faster and smarter. It's simple, fast, and fun.